Oh, hey pen pals! Would you like to read and write some words with me today? Perfect! Today we're going to focus on the vowel team AI. This has 2 letters, but it says 1 sound. It says A. Are you ready to read our first word? Remember, 1 sound. Say A. Aim. Aim. Great job. Let's do another word. All right, here's our next word. Ready? First sound, beginning sound. Rain. 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 Nice. Let's do another one. 3 sounds, 4 letters. Pain. 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 Now we have a different ending sound. Aid. Aid. Paid. Great job. Ready? Beginning sound. Ale. Nail. Nail. You guys are definitely getting a hang of it. This time you're going to need something to write with. I'm going to sound it out and you are going to write it. Go ahead and pause and go get something to write with. Are you ready? Ale. Keep going. Ale. You got this. Ale. If you need more time, pause. But if you're ready, check your work. Ready? Nail. How'd you do? Don't worry if you got it wrong. Practice makes progress. Let's try another one. All right, pen pals, are you ready for a good challenge? This time we have 4 sounds, but 5 letters. Remember, AI teams up and says A. Our first sound is T. A. T. A. You can do it. Keep writing it down. You need 5 letters. T. A. Are you ready to see how you did? Pause the video if you need more time. T. A. Train. 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 Great job. Let's do another one. Are you ready? This time we have 5 letters, but only 3 sounds. We have a team, and a sound all alone by itself over here. Are you ready? Ch. What 2 letters team up and says the sound ch? Write it down. A. Ch. A. You got this. Keep going. Ch. A. Are you ready? Let's reveal. Ch, ch, is C-H. Ch, ch. Ch. A. Chain. Yay, how'd you do? Practice makes progress. Let's do another one. Now I have all of them covered. Remember, this has 1 sound. It's our team. Ready? A. T. A. Are you ready for the reveal? We have 5 letters. Did you write down 5 letters? We have 4 sounds. Let's reveal. A. T. Paint. Hi pen pals, today we are going to read Splat the Cat, The Rain is a Pain. This story is written by the creation of Rob Scotton. Splat couldn't wait to spend the whole day in his brand new skates. It was a sunny day. There was one plain little cloud in the sky, but it looked far away. Splat jumped, spun, and flipped, and the cloud got bigger. It got closer. It got darker. Splat tried to skate away. He went left, he went right, but the cloud followed. It was gaining on him. Now the cloud looked as big as a plane. It was gray. It was a dark, stormy gray. The cloud poured rain. The rain is a pain, Splat complained. Inside, Splat tried to dry off. He shook out his fur, he jiggled his paws, he squeezed his tail. But Splat was still very wet. I'll just try to air dry, he said, standing in a big muddy puddle. Splat wondered what to do next. Use your brain, he told himself. He rolled into the living room and built a racetrack. Splat went faster and faster, round and around and around. Splat! Splat picked up one muddy paw, then another. He left a big muddy puddle and a big muddy stain. Mom was not happy. Out, Splat, out, she said. But it's pouring, Splat explained. The rain is a pain. All the skating had made Splat hungry. He rolled into the kitchen for some ice cream. Little Sis was frosting fish sticks. Little Sis had the radio on. Meow Rock began to play. It was Splat's favorite song. He began to sing and dance. Splat bumped into Little Sis. The frosting spilled everywhere. Out, Splat, out, said Little Sis. I can't go out, said Splat. The rain is a pain. Splat rolled into the dining room. The song made him think of something to do. Let's play musical chairs, Splat said to Seymour. Splat fell flat. Dad was not happy. Out, Splat, out, he said. It's still pouring, said Splat. The rain is a pain. Splat rolled into the hall to take off his skates. But Splat ran into Little Sis. Splat! Her plate of frosted fish sticks went flying. Oh no, said Little Sis. She reached out in vain. It means there was no point. She wasn't going to be able to catch them. Yikes! Yelled Splat, but he caught the plate. All of the fish sticks remained. Mom and Dad heard the shouting. They rushed in and ran into Splat. Fish sticks went everywhere. After Splat saved it. Everyone slipped on fish sticks. Everyone slid in the muddy puddles, down the hall and out the door. Oh no, said Splat. The rain makes a rainbow. That was a nice ending. So silly. And we had a lot of A's in there. The team AI says A. Poor Splat just wanted a rainy day to stop and have fun outside. Does that ever happen to you? That was so much fun reading this book with you. Thanks for writing, spelling, and reading with me. Bye, pen pals.